Oh hey, welcome to another edition of hand-laid tracks and 3D printed things with Socrates. Happy Halloween! Today we're looking at a 3D printed bat. That one. It's on Cults for the Halloween contest. It's printed in one piece. Has a couple string holders you can put around it, and it'll kind of fly. Not very far, but nonetheless, printed with a normal printer. Bottom I printed in orange, and the top layer is one in black, so it's two colors. And has an internal hinge. Prints in one piece. My first hinge print for the most part, and it's kind of cool. Print yourself a free print from Cults. Have a little Halloween bat, and if you like it, click like and download it. Enjoy it. Happy Halloween, everybody!